Hi, in this video I will show you how to activate and use Opay Virtual Card. So using your Opay Virtual Card functions the same as other card as well as physical card. So onto your Opay app, just head over right here onto the bottom and you can see in here 5 cards or 5 buttons. Click onto this card option and then from in there just click onto this virtual card and it should be able to show you in here the card number, expiry, CVV as well as the name. So you can just head over and click onto this get it now and you can activate it instantly. Just choosing here a wrap your state of your origin. You can use it for online merchant acceptance and it also has a security. Just get it and then just get the actual number and when you're trying to pay for something, just input the card number on their expiry as well as the name. Like for example, on Play Store, you can head over to your name and then just add it right here onto your payment methods. You can just head over and add a credit or debit card into this case.